Welcome back to Auto Garage, where we talk about the cars that keep the real world moving. Today, we're taking a close look at something simple, practical, and surprisingly important, the 2026 Chevrolet Damas. This isn't a flashy supercar or a high-tech luxury SUV, but for millions of people, vehicles like the Damas are the backbone of daily life, small businesses, and city transport. The 2026 Chevrolet Damas continues its legacy as a compact, no-nonsense work vehicle designed for efficiency and reliability. From the outside, the design stays true to its roots, but with subtle modern updates that make it feel fresh. The body is clean and boxy, maximizing interior space, while updated headlights and a refined front grille give it a more modern personality. It's clearly built with purpose, not show, and that's exactly where its strength lies. Under the hood, the 2026 Damas focuses on practicality. Chevrolet has tuned the engine for better fuel efficiency and smoother city driving. It's not about speed, it's about consistency. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets, delivering goods, or transporting passengers, the Damas is built to handle stop-and-go traffic with ease. Improved emissions and better fuel economy make it more environmentally responsible than earlier generations. Step inside, and you'll notice that Chevrolet has paid attention to comfort where it matters. The interior is simple but functional. The dashboard layout is clean, controls are easy to reach, and visibility is excellent, something that really matters when you're driving all day. For 2026, the cabin materials feel more durable, and small refinements make long hours behind the wheel less tiring. There's better seating support, improved ventilation, and just enough tech to keep things convenient without complicating the experience. Technology in the 2026 Chevrolet Damas is practical, not overwhelming. A basic infotainment system offers smartphone connectivity, making navigation and calls easier for drivers on the job. Safety has also been improved, with features like enhanced braking, better stability control, and reinforced body structure. It's designed to protect drivers and passengers while keeping maintenance simple and affordable. One of the biggest strengths of the Damas has always been its versatility, and that continues in 2026. It works equally well as a cargo van, a small passenger vehicle, or a business transport solution. From shop owners to delivery drivers and ride operators, the Damas adapts to different needs without demanding a high purchase price or expensive upkeep. That affordability is a huge reason why this vehicle remains relevant. Chevrolet understands that vehicles like the Damas aren't bought for luxury, they're bought for trust. The 2026 model builds on years of proven reliability, offering a machine that starts every morning and keeps going, day after day. Low running costs, easy repairs, and strong resale value make it a smart long-term investment. In a world full of complex, high-priced vehicles, the 2026 Chevrolet Damas reminds us that simple can still be powerful. It doesn't try to be something it's not. Instead, it focuses on doing one job very well, serving the people that depend on it. And that's exactly why it deserves attention. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more honest, real-world vehicle discussions, you're in the right place. This is Auto Garage, where practical cars get the respect they deserve.